Online trolls will not make Senator Kiko Pangilinan give up his post as chair of the Senate Committee on Constitutional Amendments. The opposition lawmaker said he is willing to step down if that's the will of the Senate leadership. Pangilinan said this amid the supposed online clamor from pro-administration supporters calling for his removal. Duterte supporters believe removing him as head of the constitutional panel will pave way to fast-track the proposed charter change to address the COVID-19 crisis. Pangilinan's daughter, Frankie, bared on social media the supposed ouster plot. Pangilinan said those who are suggesting cha-cha to address the COVID pandemic are out of this world.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.